Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video for the month of November. For this month we are doing the Chainmail Paracord bracelet. This one was authored by Andro Shippus and is quite an attractive design. It has this nice repeating pattern going down the center, and I have to say this bracelet is definitely one of the most comfortable bracelets I've worn recently, as it's quite flexible and easy on the wrist. We've got a slight color accent going down the sides with a different colored core. And also, if you look closely, we've also got a new way of finishing a 6-stranded core bracelet that looks nice and clean. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel, and for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to over 30 exclusive tutorials as well as a new video every month. Also, you'll get access to the Weavers of Eternity Discord server where we hang out, share pictures of our work, and all that great stuff. That being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. You guys are the best and are really helping to ensure the future of this channel. If you would like to support the Weavers of Eternity on Patreon, links to my Patreon page will be linked in the video as well as the description box down below. I thank you for even considering.